Just training this water heaters. I'm using Milwaukee transfer pump. It drains a 40 gallon about under 5 minutes. Get that full. And that makes the job a lot easier to drain a water heater. So we took one out. We're gonna replace two water heaters here. So we take one out. I'm just draining this one right now, and once it's drained, then we're gonna install that one, and then this one here. So here I cap the gas line. When you're working on natural gas, propane, you know, you're going back and forth, you know. So make sure, you know, this is the gas line. Somebody could touch this, you know. It could be your apprentice, you know, or you know, the house owner could come here, you know. So don't cut corners, you know. Cap the line. It's easy. It takes a couple of minutes. You're gonna take it out, and when that one is done, and when we install the other one. So you know, like I said, you know, and then I've seen lots of guys use that white dope, that white junk from Home Depot. Don't use that stuff indoor. Use non-metallic gas dope. The color looks like a bit brownish, like maybe peanut butter, you know. This is what I always use indoor. The best, I would say. Outdoor, I would use metallic. It's like a silverish color, like a bit darker, I guess. So I want to use that stuff people buy from Home Depot. This is way more expensive, but even if you hand tight this, you won't have a leak. So, and it could be used for water pipes or gas lines. So yeah, so you know, and I got my Milwaukee tube cutter. I've been using that, I think, about 13 years now. Probably the best tool I ever bought. They last for a long time, and she's going. You know, we're in under 3 minutes right now, and I think it's let's see, yeah, it's almost drained. So under 4 minutes we almost trained that one. And I hope Milwaukee makes a PVC cutter, you know, like situations like this. I have a proper PVC cutter, you know, the one but in this, it won't fit here, so I'll just use a sawzall to cut that. I hope that'd be nice if they make something, you know, similar to that tube cutter, you know, but with different heads, so we can cut the PVC, like maybe 2, 3, and 4 inch for I think every HVAC guy would use that, and the plumbers, you know, they could use something like that, even up to 6 inch, up and including 6 inch heads, you know, something you can change the heads, you know, and just, you know, cut the PVC. I know they have that 2-inch, they have that 12 M12 PVC cutter, but it only cuts 2 inch, so it's no good, you know. You know, if they make something, you know, like I said, similar probably to that, you know, M18 probably would be nice. But anyways, we're done here. Yeah, shut down the pump. That's it. She's done. And so this is 4 minutes and 30 seconds right now. But anyways, gonna carry on and finish that one and take it out and put the new ones. All right, just a quick video. Ciao.